we have seen some of the string variables. String is a set of characters, sentences, numbers, symbols, distances, emojis, or anything that can be placed between quotations. Most of the times, strings are used in order to write the text or title. Let's give an example. Now we have a word, it's a combination of characters and letters. It should be between quotations. Party should be between quotations. Let's go to command prompt and learn practically Python. Okay, I write apple. I can write it between single quotations, or I can even use double quotations. Apple, and again, as you can see, I have the response. If I use in this way, if I write in this way, first single quotation, double quotation, I receive this error, ELL. It means it's end of line. It means that you ended the code wrongly. Both of them should have the same type. The other point is that, for example, I want to write he's right, and as you can see, I have he's right. Okay, I have the response. But now I want to use single quotation and he's right. As you can see here, we have apostrophe. So let's see what happens. He's right. Oh, invalid syntax. It says that something is wrong and unknown for me. So how can we solve that problem? Okay, as you saw, we can use double quotation, or there is a trick too. We can write he's right, and here I use a backslash. It is called escape character. So now in this way, I can solve that error. As you can see here, I have the response. The other type of string here, we have three quotations. Let me write he's right. He's right. I have the response. Now he's right again. Actually, three quotation way is used in order to use a string in multiple lines. For example, I write. Let me define a variable line. The string equals. Here is a new line, for example, enter. Third line means that the writing of code is continued. It's right there. And let me print it. Line, string, yes. Here is a new line. It's right there. Now I have two lines. As we learned in float and integer string can get a variable, we can write string 5, and now in the response I can get 5 too. Even you can connect two strings to each other. Hello there. Now you can see that hello there is no space between hello and there. So here by default Python doesn't put any space between them. So here I put the space and then plus there. Now as you can see, hello there is with this space. Also, we can put strings in our variables. For example, name separ, name plus equals Akbarzadeh, print name. As you can see, separ Akbarzadeh. Or now let's see some errors. Everything is not always okay. For example, we face error if we want to add up a character with an integer or connect them to each other. it says that the string is not an integer, that they are not match. Here we use str function. As you can see, str5 and a. Now I have a5. Yes. Now we want to print something many times. For example, hello 20 times. And now you can see I have hello 20 times. We want the status message. We want it to give us a real time message. For example, hey, we have 8 people. It's, for example, a report of your website using the site right now. It's a real-time message. Okay. Now print status message. Yes. Hey, we have 8 people using the site right now. Now 1 user is added. Oh no, should I write those codes again? No, of course not. There is a way here. Print status message dot format. Status message is kind of a string, so here I use dot format, which is a method of string. And no, before that, let's write the status message. Hey, we have, here we use curly braces. People using this site right now. Okay. Now print. If I write, actually print this status message, you can see that just I have the curly braces, there is no number there. So we write print status message dot format, and here 9 in this way. So hey, we have 9 people using the site right now. So it's a real-time message. Or we can have 2 cases or 2 items. For example, the status message, hey, we have curly braces. No, I don't write people. Using the site right now. Dot format, let me write it here. For example, 5 and human. Yes, let me print it. Status message. Yeah, we have 5 human using the site right now. So in this way you can deal with the strings and use them. That's really applicative. Or even you can have a specific order and name them. For example, a status message. No, let's define the type firstly. Type, for example, it's dog, human, flower, or anything. Here, for example, I like dog. And I write a status message. Hey, we have curly here braces. Inside that I will write count and type using, we can type or underline human using the site right now dot format yes, parenthesis, and here for example I write 2 and count 2. I cannot write 2. Count equals 2 and type human equals type. print the status message. Yes, that's it. We have two dogs. Here we have grammatical error, but that's okay. We have two dogs using the site right now. Okay, that's really easy peasy. In this way, you can deal with the strings. It helps to increase the readability of your codes, these curly braces, these quotations, these spaces. I hope you found this episode informative. Bye bye.